Hello and welcome to Monumental Insights. My name is Stephen and I'm the marketing manager here at Techstone. Now, as I'm shooting this video, the entire country is on lockdown. It's coronavirus COVID-19 time and everything is shut down and it's very difficult to get people into your store to be able to sell to them. Well, we've been considering how we might be able to help you on this, and what we have done is we have coupled our Granite Online Designer with a very easy way for you to video conference with your customers at their homes, whether they be nearby or in different states. Yes, now you won't need to figure out how to use Skype, Zoom, GoToMeetings, connecting any of that with your Gold Online Designer. We've created a very simple button on the designer itself, and below me are going to be instructions on how to actually go through this, with also addressing any wrinkles you might find. Now, we found that the best browsers to use, because this will actually operate out of your browser, are Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. The other thing is if your families are using a smartphone as opposed to a computer, they're going to need to download an app. Now, that is both for Android or Apple iOS. So again, a very simple way. You don't need to be intimidated by this technology. Simply a button that's going to help you connect your customers with your computer so that you can show them the designs they're looking for, the comfort of their home, while we get through this coronavirus quarantine. We hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please contact your Techstone sales representative. Stay safe and stay healthy, and we'll see you next week.